Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jalen Dawes, of course, you know. Welcome back to Jalen Unplugged. And today is Tuesday, the 11th. We're currently in a trade, so I wanted to just do this intro real quick. So let me just show you guys real quick what we're looking at. So we're looking at buys on NAS right now. The opening candle was pretty good. And it looks like we're holding our zone. So let me go back inside and I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit on why I took this trade and everything like that. So let's go. All right, guys, so this is what our zone is looking like. And we are currently floating 700, 800. So I'm gonna wait for it to tap up here. Once it taps there, I'm gonna just take my profits. All right, so we're back here on the charts. We're currently up $500. Our stop loss was down here, but I moved it up into profit since we went up as fast as we did. But it looks like the candle is currently dropping right now, but it is still holding our zone. But it looks like we're about to get stopped out here. But it's okay. If we get stopped out, we're gonna jump right back in, because this is a strong zone here. Really, really strong zone. So yeah, I was just looking for buys off of this zone because price was respecting it here. So I just waited for it to drop back down, which we got a huge sell-off, and then we're jumping right back up into profit. So that's what it looked like. Oh, and it looks like we did get stopped out. So we're gonna jump back in here once we get this closure, and let's see where it wants to go. We'll look to get back in. Let me set it up. Put my stop loss here. Realistically, I could put my stop loss like up here. And then put my TP about here. Yeah, we should be looking good, guys. I'm gonna get a couple positions here. So let me put this down. Yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. So I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Move our stop loss a little bit out of our zone. And yeah, so this should be a valid zone. So I'm gonna wait for it to get that closure right above here. Once we get that wick above, I'm gonna look to get back in. But it looks like it's respecting our zone here. So we should be good. We really should be good. I don't think our stop loss needs to be that big, honestly. Because if it goes anywhere else, it's definitely going in an opposite direction. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back with you guys once price does something interesting. All right, I'm currently being patient. I went down to the 1 minute to get our entry candle, and it looks like we're still respecting our lower low. So the price could still be shooting up. I'm just gonna be a little patient here, wait to get that break of the candle above this one here. Once we get that break above the candle right here, we should be golden to get back in. So I'm just waiting for that. Once we get that, it's game over, baby. Bro, I don't know why price is playing, bro. That thing has not moved. It's literally just went down a little bit and just playing around in that area. So I'm waiting for it to break that previous high, and then we should be good. And then we're looking at that profit while we're risking 200. So we're just waiting for price to give us what we want, man. That's all we waiting for. It might have been a little risky, but I literally just watched price reject my zone so fast. So I feel safe getting in for a buy here. So that's exactly what I did. I'm pretty much gonna catch the bottom and gonna ride that thing all the way up. So that's what we're waiting for. We're currently down $30, but that's all right. We should be fine here in this zone. It respected the hell out of it. Yep, there we go. We're starting to climb now. So we're just gonna wait for, I don't think we're gonna wait for our TP because our TP is pretty high. But we're just gonna wait to see what we see, and as long as we keep moving in the right direction, we're gonna stay open. I do have 2, so I can leave a runner, but we're gonna see how this thing moves, man. We're gonna see. All right, definitely an emotional roller coaster, bro. We're literally like a pip away from getting stopped out, bro. We came so close. Let me zoom in so y'all can see how close this is. 1 pip away from getting stopped out, and now we're getting the reversal that we were looking for, bro. When I tell y'all risk management is definitely a thing, literally a pip from getting stopped out, and now we're moving in the direction that we thought we were going. Bro, that is ridiculous. Ridiculous. And now we're finally getting that push up that we were looking for. As long as we respect this little box, we'll be fine. But we came super, super close to getting stopped out, bro. So close. Bro, this candle is like the most important candle right now. It might stop us out. All right, price hasn't really moved from where it's at. So I'm just gonna wait for the 9:30 candle. So we got 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait patiently and see what happens. And then we'll think about getting back in. Bruh, I was literally in this trade for buys right here. And out of nowhere, it said I breached my account. Dude, I would have been up $7,000 right now. But they breached my account and took out the money that I had on the line. So I'm waiting for them to email me back so I can understand what the hell is going on. Because I would have been up right now, bro. I would have been so up right now. Alright, y'all. I'm not exactly sure what happened with the account. I am actually waiting on Alpha to message me to let me know what's going on with that. But, I mean, even if the account's breached, it's whatever. They'll tell me on what I did so I can just make sure I don't do it again. And then we're going to go from there. Just going to have to buy another account. That's what it is. But I'm currently still waiting on them to message me to let me know what's going on. And then yeah, I'm just going to go from there. So I contacted Alpha, and the guy granted me back my account. So we live to fight another day. All right, y'all. So I did get the account back. So I'm going to be done for today. I'm just going to thank God, and I'm going to appreciate the fact that he gave me back my account. And I'm not going to trade today. It must have been a sign that it wasn't a good trading day. So I'm just going to wait till Friday. So I'm going to close this video here. Oh, and update on the rims. The rims are coming in on the 26th. So I'll probably get a video up on the 28th or so. So, yeah, that's going to be that. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Have a good night.